Here's 10 ways how to make flights cheaper, even when prices keep rising. 1. Book smart, not just early. Booking too early can backfire. Best time: domestic flights, book 1 to 3 months ahead. International flights, book 3 to 6 months ahead. Use tools like Google Flights or Skyscanner, then click Track Prices. You'll get notified the moment fares drop. 8Wonders Travel Agency tip: turn on price alerts for multiple routes. Sometimes flying from Clark instead of Manila International Airport, or vice versa, can save you thousands. 2. Fly when others don't. Airlines price tickets based on demand. Fly on Tuesdays, Wednesdays, or Saturdays. Early morning or late night flights. Avoid peak seasons like Christmas, Holy Week, or long weekends. It's not glamorous, but your wallet will thank you. 3. Use points, miles, and rewards. Even if you don't fly often, your credit card might already be earning you points. Link them to your preferred airline's loyalty program. You can use them for flight discounts or even free tickets. Example: every 50 pesos to 100 pesos you spend on groceries or bills could get you closer to a free flight if you're using the right rewards card. 4. Go incognito when searching. Airline sites and OTAs sometimes raise prices after repeated searches. Trick: open a new incognito or private browser tab each time you check flights, or clear your cookies before you search again. 5. Try alternative airports or routes. Sometimes, one stopover equals big savings. Or, fly into a nearby city and take a bus or train to your destination. Example: flying to Osaka instead of Tokyo can be 10,000 pesos cheaper round trip, and Japan's trains make the rest easy. 6. Join airline newsletters. Airlines often announce flash sales only through email or their apps. Subscribe to Philippine Airlines, Cebu Pacific, AirAsia, and even foreign carriers like Scoot or Jetstar. Set a separate travel email folder to keep track of promos. 7. Use fare aggregators. Use comparison sites that search all available options for you. Skyscanner, Kayak, Mamando, Google Flights. Then, book directly on the airline site to avoid extra fees. 8. Travel light. Avoid paying for check-in baggage if you can. Most low-cost carriers now charge 1,000 pesos to 2,500 pesos per bag per leg. A carry-on and smart packing can save you the price of a good meal abroad. 9. Set a travel fund. Instead of charging flights impulsively, build a small, travel savings jar. Even 100 pesos to 200 pesos a week adds up. By the time a flash sale drops, you'll have funds ready. No guilt, no debt. 10. Use local apps and alerts. Apps like Traveloka, Hopper, and AirAsia Super App often give early access promos to app users. Enable notifications. Those 99 pesos base fare deals go fast. Bottom line: you don't need to be rich to travel. You just need to be strategic. If you master timing, flexibility, and the right tools, you'll start to see travel as accessible freedom, not a luxury. Imagine walking through airport gates, passport in hand, knowing your flight, visa, and itinerary are all handled. That's what we do at 8Wonders Travel Agency. We make your dream destinations reachable, without the high costs or the headache. From flight deals to visa assistance, we're your travel partner every step of the way. Message us now and let's start planning your next adventure, the 8Wonders way.